Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by choosing a constrained space where you can win. Narrow domain beats vague ambition. Once chosen, talk to 5 real users or read 20 targeted forum threads to extract 3 recurring pain points. Then commit to a 2-week validation sprint with cheap tests, landing page, description, or simple prototype. This immediate focus forces decisions and reveals whether an idea is worth pursuing. Make sure to record reactions and conversion metrics for the next step. Next, you translate interest into measurable signals. Once the landing page is live, drive targeted traffic via 2 small ad sets or 3 niche community posts to test messaging and willingness to sign up. Simultaneously, build a rapid prototype of the single core flow that delivers the value metric. Keep it minimal so you can iterate. Analyze sign-up rates, qualitative feedback, and time to value, if metrics are weak. Refine the hypothesis and repeat. Don't double down on assumptions without fresh data. To finish, make a clear decision. Pursue, pivot, or kill based on your conversion and retention thresholds. If you pursue, build an MVP that emphasizes one retention loop and automate a key onboarding step to improve first-week metrics. Once shipped, collect behavioral data and re-interview early users for pain point fidelity. Troubleshooting tip: if growth stalls, run a single A/B test on onboarding and immediately re-interview 10 users to pinpoint friction.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.